Kids! A cape! I bet I could be a superhero today. Super Momo, ready to help. Super Momo, away! A tidy street makes everyone happy. Mission 1 complete. Someone needs a super helper.
Thank you, dear. That's so kind of you.
Mission 2 complete. Who needs Super Momo next? My ball rolled over the fence and I can't reach it. Here you go. No ball left behind. Thank you, Super Momo. You're the best. Being a hero isn't about capes. It's about being kind.
Picked up litter, helped Miss Rosa cross. Found a lost ball that Leo thought was lost. A cape isn't Super Momo, kind and true. Super Momo, kind and true. Helping others is what heroes do.
Remember, friends, you don't need a cape to be a hero, just a kind heart. Bye-bye! For more fun adventures, subscribe to Momo Smart Kids.